a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if we was one of those rowdy boys. Stood there with my neighbor, called Peter, in a flux capacitor.
May video pala to.
He built a time machine, wanted to film a scene. Yeah.
So wait, video.
I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is divine, divine. Took me to the future in the flux thing, and I saw everything. Boy bands, and another one, and another one, and another one. And girls there with round hair like Star Wars, float above the floor. We drove around in a time machine, like what in a film I've seen. Yeah. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter
Among students in the school campus are felt extremely in the spirit of camaraderie, association, and get-togetherness. For campus life endures many splendid things. One form of get-togetherness, and the most anticipated one, is the juniors and seniors promenade, which is both an occasion and tradition, carried out from generation to generation of third and fourth year students.
Not much has changed, but they lived on